Alright guys, I'm getting in on SPY. On Microsoft. 5 contracts, 320 calls. Looking for a break of 310.34. Nasdaq here is looking like it wants to break out. So I like Microsoft here. Ooh. Making higher lows, so this looks good. Looking for this point of control at 310.34. We do have a 3-hour supply here, but I'm going by how Nasdaq broke out that 2-hour supply, so this looks good. We got filled. We're going to target the 310.34 and then possibly break out of this supply. So we'll see. Getting lots of wicks, indecision. Let's see the 10-minute. What is it looking like? Hopefully we don't get stuck in this trade and just consolidate here. This is kind of jumping the gun because I saw Nasdaq pushing past through supply as well as ES. So we'll see. Nasdaq is looking like it wants to break out. We just need to get above 14,575. Come on, you know you want it. Let's go Microsoft. We are kind of getting rejected at this VWAP. So we got to get candle closes right above it, and then candle closes right at the opening price, which is around 308.96. kind of getting tight here. Apple is pushing up. Maybe we should have picked that one. E is now trying to push. Come on, let's go. If we start getting candle closes right about 309, I'll probably add to my position. But Apple, sheesh. Goodness. Well, I was looking good as well. Maybe I'll grab some Baba too. Let's get the 160s. We got some Baba. Looking for that gap fill. Do need a close right above there. Oops. Put an alert here. So I'll leave that for now. Let's look at Microsoft. I'll put an alert here. This was the pre-market low. So 307. It's looking good. Microsoft's looking good. Consolidating here around VWAP. Looks like out of all the techs, Apple is moving, Tesla's moving, Microsoft is lagging. So I'm not liking how this is looking, but I'm gonna have a hard stop if we get candle closes below 307. Looking to curl. Come on, Microsoft. Microsoft is lagging. Don't do it, Microsoft. Don't do it. Don't make new lows. Stay above here. See what the daily looks like. Looks good. Let's see 1 hour. Still like it. Just getting caught in the chop. This is not what I wanted. Probably buy more here. One contract, I have 6 now. Alright. I like it. I like it now. There she goes. ES and NASDAQ are now pushing. We just got to get past through this 308.95 level and then pass through 310. I want to see if we can really test 310.34. I think we do have a TTM squeeze as well, I believe. That up. I don't know if it. We're still squeezing on the 5-minute, 10-minute, 30-minute high compression squeeze. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Push, push, push. Come on, Microsoft, you can do it. See if we can sell. I'm gonna sell one here. I usually remember that was our target. See if we can sell high. Sell. We're still down on Baba. Not worried about that. This has a lot of momentum on Microsoft. All right. I'm gonna sell another one here. Let's see if we can get filled there. Come on, push press through this. Microsoft's got to break out of the supply at 311.65. I'm gonna sell another one here. Now I have 3 contracts. 3 contracts left. I think I'm gonna move. I'm gonna have my stop loss if we start closing below 309. So, but Microsoft's looking good. We still do have that squeeze. We haven't. It hasn't fired. Let's look at the 10-minute. 10-minute looks good as well. So we're finding resistance at this point of control, which is at 310.34. But if we can find some volume and buying pressure, I think this is clear to test the 311.65, which is the top of that supply, and then our target would be the 313.91. So usually, I usually just buy 5 to 10 contracts, but I only average I think twice. I had 7 contracts total. I'll be looking to try to trim one here, like around that 311.65, and then we'll see. Low compression squeeze now on the 5-minute. We're still squeezing on the 10-minute. Mid compression as well as the 15. The 30 is high compression squeeze. Let's look at Baba. What's Baba doing? Why are you struggling here, sir? SPY is really pushing through. Come on, Baba. I'm not liking how you're doing that. What are you doing? I'm gonna have an alert on 119.50. I hope buyers don't get exhausted here. We might see some pullbacks, but if we do see some pullbacks, I would like it to stay above this point of control, which is at 310.34. I wouldn't want it to kind of like retest this opening price. So we'll see, we'll see. I'm also liking Tesla. Tesla here finding support at the point of control 88. So yeah, so Microsoft, Tesla, and Nvidia was on my watch list. If you do want to see, my daily watch list or weekly watch list, my Twitter is in the link description below. So come give your boy a follow if you want to get some trade ideas. But I like how Tesla is holding up here, but I don't want to get into many trades. Nvidia pushing now too. Microsoft, there you go. Microsoft is pushing as well. That's the next target. I might trim one here again. We are triggering on the 5-minute. I kind of want the 30-minute to fire, so we'll see. We will see. I know we got a little, we kind of jumped the gun. We kind of got in a little too early, but the reason why I got in is because I saw ES and NASDAQ pushing through. But as soon as NASDAQ and ES was pushing through past the supply, Microsoft was kind of lagging, right? So I had to give this some, a little bit of wiggle room, because I don't know why I was pulling back out of all the equities, but it was still holding our levels. I said that if we get kind of close right below 307, which was the pre-market low, I would cut it. I'm gonna cut one more here and then just hold the rest. So we'll see. We will see how this turns out. Let's see, Baba. 120. How SPY? We are above the 4-hour supply on SPY. If we can't hold, so this is a free now. This is a free runner. So if we can't hold below this 310.34, I'll be out. Tesla's kind of pulling back now. To be honest, I might jump back in on Microsoft, add some more into the position. Well, maybe I want to see a retest of that 310.34. Yeah, where's my cloud? There goes Baba trying to push through. Yeah, that's looking good. Looking real good on Baba. Just got to break above this, which was the this is a um opening price from, I guess, January 26th. So I like to kind of like have draw trend lines on opening prices, because it does kind of like I've noticed that it does react to those levels. So we'll see. Nvidia is really pushing. I still have one contract right here. One contract on Microsoft. We are up about 57%. This is a free runner. So we're trying to, we want to see if we can get, I need to post this on our Discord group. Just put an alert. SPY is really just skyrocketing. Holy. So this is now, delete this. This is invalidated. That supply. We did kind of create 10-minute supply demand here. So I'm going to mark this for a pullback. So 441.97. But that is strong on SPY. Microsoft is looking good. I do have this hedge from last week. Just going to keep it. You can also once we start like coming, kind of like moving away from this point of control, what I usually do is I either use the 10-minute or the 5-minute, and I use the EMA cloud as my stop loss. So if we get either like kind of closes right below the cloud, um, that's when I usually get out of. Oh, Baba's moving. Sorry guys, I gotta check Baba. Apple's pulling back a little. Did I put an alert on SPY? I did, right? Yeah, I do. I did. All right. I think Baba. I do want a gap fill here. I like it, but maybe I'll start trimming. I might trim one here. I didn't get filled. There you go. Just to limit exposure. SPY is pulling back here. think I'm gonna close Baba. I'm gonna have a stop loss. I'm gonna monitor it. I'm gonna have a stop loss at break even. So I'll be watching it. Just don't like how it's okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna sell it. No. Oh, thank you. Got filled. All right, let's focus on Microsoft. Microsoft here still looks really good. I think it's up 1.14% for the day. Netflix is up almost 8%. Tesla almost 6%. Facebook, but good trade, guys. Overall, good trade. Um, let me see if I can. So overall, we're up $340 for the Microsoft trade and about just 67 bucks for the Baba. This is a hedge. This is a long term. This is I opened this last week, just to hedge my position, or I had position this morning. But overall, good guys. 371 bucks for today. Good trade on Microsoft. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.